this is going to be our excursion day. Stacy doesn't know that we're recording, but that's kind of funny. Anyways,
is this live?
This is, well, it's okay. We're going to the waterfalls today, so it's our first time leaving the facility in like 3 months. So we're going on an adventure. We're gonna have lots of fun, and we're gonna share it with you guys. Okay? Yeah.
It'd also be nice if you shared it with me.
Okay. We'll see you guys out there. Ready? Stacy's got her chocolate. She's ready for an adventure.
Yeah.
Here we go. Okay. Oh yeah, we got the mask. Perfect. I'll just hop in. Okay, so here we go. First day out.
Why don't you put our mask on, honey?
So we got our masks on. We're in the thing. Stacy ran into a dilemma.
I didn't think this one through very well.
She didn't finish her chocolate. Okay, well, that's gonna be fun. But here we go. That's us leaving. Okay, we'll check back in when we get to the waterfall. So we're just traveling through Lavina right now. You can see all this stuff. There's people quite literally everywhere. Road's busy. This isn't the best example, but there are. There are people everywhere right now. So we're just leaving the city. But yeah, everyone's out. Everything's just business as usual. And we're wearing our masks.
If you've never been up to North Bali, we're in Lavina. It's a beautiful place. There's tons of little shops, there's tons of little cafes and really beautiful resorts to check out. The ocean's right here. So plus there's temples and tons of waterfalls you can go visit, which we're doing today. So yeah, check it out. Travel a little further up north. Yeah, I'll take one.
We'll take the long one.
Oh.
Long trekking.
Oh, that's not
Stay home.
We are going on a waterfall adventure.
Yay!
And we get water.
Yeah. We get water.
Okay, let's do it. Cacao chocolate? Chocolate tree. Here we are at the hidden waterfall. So just look how amazing this place is. We're going into the hidden waterfall. This is Stacy's cold immersion training. Oh. This is G'day, he's our guide. He's been awesome so far. So thank you, G'day. The hidden waterfall, absolutely beautiful. We just went swimming. Water was great, a little chilly. Stacy was in there for at least 2 minutes, so she's done her cold water therapy. But we're off to the next waterfall now, so hopefully it's just as amazing. Second waterfall. We did some acro at it. That's kind of what it looks like there. I said before, Stacy spent at least 2 minutes in the water, so she got her cold immersion.
It was freezing.
But yeah, it was absolutely gorgeous. Perfect weather, perfect day.
Oh, the dragonflies everywhere and the birdies.
Yeah.
It was super cool.
Yeah. We walked to 3 different waterfalls, all in the same location. Yeah, and then we got a little scooter ride on the way back to the van. So,
So you don't have to do the uphill.
yeah, and you know, you have to climb the stairs out of the canyon, but once you get to the top, then you get a scooter, and it takes you the rest of the way, so not too bad. But yeah, okay, we'll see you guys back at the hotel resort. Where are we staying?
A villa.
Villa. We're staying at a villa. Successfully survived an adventure outside of the villa, but now we're back in the villa. Time for lunch, dinner. I only eat once a day, so Stacy's gonna have lunch and I'm gonna wait till dinner. But it was great. Lots of stairs, lots of waterfalls. We got to swim right up to this massive waterfall. So very happy that our first adventure out of the villa was an excursion. Cool. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.